Howdy folks, I wonder if y'all can hear me. I wonder if y'all can hear the bike if you just hear wind noise. I wonder if y'all can see. What can y'all see? Tell me now. I'm gonna be really disappointed if this doesn't work. I mean, I can hear the wind and I can feel the wind under my chin. Oh, that's because my snood or whatever it's called has fallen down after the 42nd time of putting my helmet on and then finding where the microphone was because it's in a different position. I might just ride around the village first and then pop it out, have a listen, see if it's actually working before I waste too much time. I'm gonna pull over here, in fact. So gloves back on, video might be on, I don't know, because I haven't got my thing on the dash. I can't really tell if that's working either, but I'm going to put my phone down here. If you are recording, that's where I'm going to put my phone, and I've got to not be so distracted because recording is dangerous. But you could hear me really well then. I mean, I had the visor up, I was doing 15, I'm now doing 20 through the village. Yeah, good work, numbnuts. People are just arseholes. I mean, they couldn't have worked out better for my first video with good audio. Let's hope the with my visor up you could hear me alright. Right, we're doing 25, a bit of acceleration. I'm going to leave the visor up for this bit because it was so good, the quality. Don't cut the corner, arsehole! And that... I should stop swearing. So I'm going to give an audio now, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70. I've got to put the visor down anyway, because I can't see with the visor up. All that wind blowing in my eyes. Now I can definitely feel a lot of wind blowing in my neck hole. So let's see if you can hear me. Because I don't really know, it's the first time, but riding through the village, that was really good quality. Third gear in the roundabout, 35, drop that knee down, not too low, don't want to spin out already on cold tyres, do we? But the tarmac's nice and warm, that's for sure. We're up to 65, we're up to 70, and that's where we're going to kill it. We're not going to go, oh no, we're not, we're at 80, my bad. Let's slow this down a little bit. Pull them puppies back. Pull them puppies back. And let's hope this audio is good as well, because we've got some nice video of idiots. Plenty of idiots today. Nice warm roads. That's what we like. Nice warm tarmac. And I also have no idea where the camera's looking, because it could have moved, it might not have moved, it could have been in the wrong place to start with. I haven't got my proper bike bag on. I got my mine and my boy's swimming bag on. It's a cool little rucksack, but it's a bit airy. You can get a lot of stuff in it because it's our swimming bag, but yeah, it's a bit airy compared to my bike bag. But I need to go to a supply and pick some gear up. Meow! Beep beep! Maybe I'll do some dramatic head turns and make the video look more dramatic. I say dramatic, if I keep my head level on my shoulders, it'll actually tell you how much I'm leaning over. Whereas I tend to, as most bikers do, counter with the head so your head stays level and you don't get disoriented. And we're off. See, I'm not warmed up. Bike's warmed up, I'm not warmed up. Finger slipped on the clutch then. Nearly wheelied it. That would have been hilarious on my first video. What happened to you today? Well, you know, I was making a video. Wheelied the bike. Got run over by the car behind. Everyone dead. Oh, this is too much traffic. I hadn't banked on this. What time is it? It was 5 to 6. It's always nice to get a wave or a nod off of another biker. It's too many ignoramus, which I believe is the collective noun for ignoramuses. I'm gonna get me some UPS. I'm gonna get me some ups. Maybe I'll just get some downs. You know what? Screw this. Screw this a lot. Yeah, maybe I'll just go to the shop first. Yeah, I was going to go to the shop first, and then I was going to go to the supply. Because if I go to the shop now, Whoop. Can I fit through that gap? Yes, I can fit through that gap. Why are you just sitting there, boy? Come on. Visor down, just in case someone spits at me as I go weaving through the traffic. That was a big old beard. That was a big old beard. That was like the kind of beard you see on a vintage gnome in a movie or a book about fairy tales. Yeah, it's that kind of gnome, that kind of thing. So I've got one position on my thing, but I can't get there because my camera's in the way. I can't get my finger in here to get my visor clip up. And I closed my vent so that the wind wouldn't blow through against my microphone. I might have found a design flaw. I'm boiling. Oh, hello everybody, I'm boiling. I am actually genuinely really hot. But all us sexy folk have to go through these things. Let's go tear up the mean streets of Bedford, shall we? We're going to go through Kempston. I think I'll head that way. I can filter around all the cars then. Go down the bus lane. So here we are, beautiful sunny day. It's been chucking it down for the last few days here. Well, that must be an exhilarating ride. One-handed, steering your tricycle. Nice tricycle, my brother. Probably Hell's Angel, probably pop a cap in my ass. Anyway, yes, the sun's out. It's been quite a glorious day. Oh no, look at all this traffic that I'm not going to go in. Well, I'm going to go in. I'm just going to go down this way. Because I'm allowed in the bus lane. You're not allowed in the bus lane. Apart from the buses. Probably get my punk ass run over by a bus now. And I'm going to review my bike. Right, let's get through here. Around there. Yes, I don't need to stop for you. But I am going to go left here. Because this is not one way. It's two-way. It's a two-way street, everybody. So that's Liverpool kid. He's getting run over. Is he going to jump out? Ugh, he didn't jump out. He didn't get run over. He's lucky. This is nice, riding with my visor up. It's been too cold to ride with my visor up for very long. But this is nice now. Yes, you're welcome. And what, am I a sandwich bag, am I? Am I super thin like a sandwich bag? Whoop! Ugh. I forgot I was on the bike then. I was like, I can fit through these gaps. So, let us wait for a thing. Come on, van, move over. What you got to sit there for, you? I'll have some of that. My van's got to drive over to the right. You can see over everybody. Move over to the left. Let me put my visor down. Then maybe you can hear me a bit better. But from the audio check I did a little while ago, you can hear me just fine. I mean, that would be the ultimate irony, wouldn't it? To get run over by an ambulance. And then the ambulance can't come and save you. The ambulance has been in an RTA, so they have to actually wait for the police to come. And then there's an investigation. And that would be like the ultimate punch in the face, wouldn't it? Yeah, we get through there. Yeah, it'd be like ultimate punch in the face. Yep, we got all this medical stuff to help you out, but we can't pick your ass up. You had to lie down there bleeding to death. I'm sure they wouldn't do that. Hippocratic oath. That's doctors actually. I wonder if ambulance people have to take the Hippocratic oath. Is it the Hippocratic oath? I don't think it's the Hippocratic. It might be the Hippocratic. It's hypocrite. That can't be right, surely. I could take the Hippocratic oath because I'm a hypocrite. I'll tell everyone, you shouldn't eat sugar, it's bad for y'all. It's bad for y'all big fat ass eating sugar, Peter. It's bad for your big fat ass eating sugar, Peter. And then, what do? And then I go and eat sugar. Bit of a nod for you, my friend. Yeah, then I go and eat sugar and I'm like, oh, I must have taken the Hippocratic oath. Because I was a hypocrite, everybody. Yeah, I was a hippopotacrite. You eat enough sugar, you're gonna be a hippopotacrite, that's for sure. Hey, Scooter dude. One day you'll get yourself a bigger bike. Well, you'll get yourself a bike, not a scooter, I'd imagine. But you know what? Respect to them people. I mean, they have got the brazen shame. They don't feel no shame. They can go out on a scooter. If I was Michael Jackson, I might take out my scooter, but that's about all. No, in all honesty, that's rude of me. Well, everyone's got to start somewhere. And even if you've got a 50cc pop-pop, you're still going faster than all them people on foot patrol. And you're still going faster than all them people on bus patrol too. Let's have some of that. What we need now is another one. Why are you sitting in traffic? You're on a bike, fool! You don't need to be sitting in this traffic. Wasting your life, sitting there in your helmet, sweating your dick off. feeling inadequate, like you missed out on something in life because you didn't try hard enough? Well, that's like my whole life, innit? We're gonna go left there. So all these people just sit in traffic. I don't know what it is. Like, I mean, you Americans, if any you Americans are watching, I see this from a lot of you as well. Like, chase on 2 wheels. Gosh, goddamn almighty, goddamn it! Chase on 2 wheels here. Back on the door. Oh shoot! Gosh, goddamn it! This bike is this bike. And that's what he says. He's great though. I mean, I'm taking the piss there, which is rude of me because he's very good at what he does. He's very successful too. Well done, Chase. God, I hope this microphone's recording. But you all sit behind cars in traffic. Like, I've just done that. I've gone down the outside. You all sit at the lights for ages behind a queue of cars. What's that all about? Why you got to do that? You're on a motorbike. We go on motorbikes to feel the thrill, whoa, and the wood in the road, and we take the risks, and that's the sort of the reward for the being out exposed to the elements and being on a death machine, essentially. Because a car crashed into you, you're probably dead. You probably dead. But you take that risk. You offset the risk by not having to sit in traffic. So the risk is you go and get killed, but the reward is you don't have to sit in traffic no more. When you're on a bike and you're wearing a helmet and even leathers, or like a, I mean, I've got my thermal liner in because I'm too stupid to take it out. I keep forgetting, and it's been raining a lot. But yeah, where was I? Quick recap. Forget to take my liner out. No. Yeah, but yeah, that's the risk and the reward. The risk is I'm all gear splattered. The reward is I don't have to sit there. It's better to keep moving, get the airflow around you. I'm nice and cool now. I'm moving. If I sit at them traffic lights for even 15 seconds, I start to get warm. So we're going to a supplier of mine in Bedford, pick up some bits. They put it in the lockbox for me. Wait, let's hope I can get in. No, I can. It's warm. When it's cold, can't get through the door. Wow, all this talking stuff. I just coasted around that corner in 3rd gear. Throttle not disengaged, just rolled round like I'm in La La Land, because I kind of am. So I'll ride along for hours and I will sing, because I'll play music from my Bluetooth, always do. Apart from now, because I'm talking on the phone that we'll be playing the music. Yeah, roll around for hours, and I never ever get distracted. I go fast as I like, never get distracted listening to music. Jibber jabbering on here to you lot, who isn't even a you lot, it's a me lot. And I can't remember how to ride my bike. What's up, bitches? Shout out to the Enterprise Massive. Visor up, turn my bike off. Right, you can't see the secret code, you ready? We in. Oh, look at that, all the contacts and a couple of locks. Now I've got to take my bag off. Watch out for my pizza that I just bought for me for my dinner. Yes, blood. Try not to drop my gloves. I wonder how much you can actually see. I wonder if it's like all the other people that do blogs and videos. I wonder if I look as cool as them. I wonder. Now, where should I put that? I'm going to put my pizza in here. Might even be cooked on my back by the time I get home. Oh, don't fall off, locks. I'm going to put my super duper cheap ass wonky asparagus in there. Wonky asparagus, £1. Regular asparagus, £2. Admittedly, they look pretty wonky, but I don't know what the deal is. I ain't no restaurant. I ain't no chef. I ain't no chef. I'm just little old me eating asparagus for my tea pretty much every single day of my life because I love it. Hey, bike. You feel like going for a race? Are you ready? Oh, you are? Well then. Let's pop that visor down. Maybe even go with a little bit of sun visor. Nope, that's filthy. Don't use that. And then all I've got to do is sync up the video with the audio. I hope I can do this in iMovie. I know I can detach the audio, and I'm sure I put music in another video, but I need to be able to sync it up as well. So I need to edit the audio. I wonder if I can edit the audio in iMovie without having to edit the audio in like GarageBand or something, or some other application that I don't know of that I'll have to Google, which is actually search the web for. What is up with Google? I mean, that is the best marketing the world has ever seen. Has it not? No one searches the web. No one does a search of the internet anymore. Everyone Googles it. Even if you're not using Google and you're using, what's the other one? Bing. Good lord, that's bad. Yeah, and you're using Bing. You're still Googling it. You will still say in conversation, no one's going to go, yo, I'm going to Bing it. Yeah, give me a minute, I'll just Bing it. Yeah, you're still going to Google it. We all going to Google it, because that's what we do, we Google. Now, you go left or right, can I fit through that gap? Slipper clutch all the way, ain't getting no back wheel chatter. Although I do get back wheel chatter. Oh, I nearly went for that then. Yeah, I don't mind if I do. Thank you, I'm much quicker than all of you. Now back wheel, don't spin out. Oh, that was a proper bumpy bit, you son of bitch. Wind it up. I think I've got to get a new helmet. This helmet's too big. It's too big. Blip, blip. Ain't not gonna. Well, ain't got not go. Whatever. I haven't got a blipper on this bike, and I don't need one. I got a throttle and a cable. Howdy. And I'm all conscious of having my head up while riding the bike. And I tell you what, you watch the Mission to Flyer, little old TMF. Hello everybody, good day, goodbye to you, how are you? I hope you're having a lovely day too. I'm just out on the bike for another quick cruise and a reviews. TMF, if you watch this, you can use that if you'd like, you can use that new line. Oh, there's a bike, you can go race him, but he hasn't got L plates on either. But it does look like a little bike. It doesn't sound like one, it sounds like a bag of crap. Yes, Mr. Missington Flyer, I see you in your videos. 80 miles an hour and a 60. You're not blurring out the old speedo, are ya? What's that all about? Surely that's illegal. Do you know something I don't know, or is it all about who you know, not what you know? Because that's what I'm thinking. It's all about who you know. And you with them old overalls on, working on your bike, I bet you got a few people in that club, haven't you? Are they the ones to deal with the speeding? Is that what it is? Huh? Gonna put in your book? Huh? Where was I? I got distracted there. Yes, so TMF doesn't blur it out, but